What's up everybody, Sujan Patel here. Today I want to talk to you about conversational marketing and really about how to increase conversions with live chat and conversational marketing. But first and foremost, what the hell is conversational marketing? It's essentially having a conversation with your customers to ask questions instead of having them fill out a lead form. And it's to engage with your audience and have a cohesive conversation instead of sending them emails, newsletters, forms to fill out and whatnot. And generally, it helps you improve the conversion rate. So conversational marketing, I like to say, is a fancy way of saying live chat, chatbots, and sales and marketing folks actually leveraging live chat and chatbots to gather information instead of using lead forms. This generally improves the conversion rate. So does it actually help? Hell yes. Every single test I've done about 15 tests now, 15 different companies. Every single time, there's been a 30% or greater increase in leads. And the quality of leads have gone up because in a chat, let's say I'm talking to you and you're interested in buying my software. Well, I can ask you, how many, what are you gonna do with it? Like, tell me about your business. And I can ask that information in a very casual way, which essentially would be like a lead form and adding different fields to it. And what I'm essentially doing is qualifying. So not only do you increase the conversion rate, you also improve the quality of leads that go through, and you can funnel people. Let's say it's a not a high quality lead, you can funnel it to your SDR team versus your account executive team, or you can funnel it through the right folks. So ultimately, better quality leads and better targeting for the right folks. All right, so the next thing is, how the heck do you implement it without being annoying? So I have to say, most folks implementing live chat and trying to do this conversational marketing are frankly being too annoying about it. I go to websites every day and it's like, boom, can I help you? I'm like, I didn't even freaking look at your site yet. How can you help me? And sure, you can help me, but let me actually give me some time to browse through the website. So be smart about this. First and foremost, actually wait a few seconds. Or maybe use smart triggers like, hey, they've returned to the website, you ask them something different, right? And you can use tools like Drift, Intercom, and many others to do this exact thing because they will track that information for you. It's super easy. In fact, we're doing a test right now on Mailshake, and I'll let you know how it goes in a future video. But essentially, don't be annoying about it. And make sure you have a cohesive conversation. And one example I want to share with you guys is I went to Zenefits. So I was doing the test on how long it takes me to talk to somebody at a company. And what's faster? If I go through this live chat conversational marketing route, or what's better? Or if I just go through the form field, right? The good old-fashioned form fields. So I went to Zenefits on a Saturday, okay? Saturday morning. I was doing a HubSpot video, so I was capturing all these screenshots. I was prepping for a HubSpot video. I was capturing all the screenshots. So I just did this test. I went on live chat, and I wanted to see how quickly I can get a phone call with the salesperson to get Zenefits, get to see if Zenefits is the right tool for me to use, or right HR software. So on the live chat, within like 30 seconds actually, I was able to schedule a meeting. And then within 5-minute conversation, and I was browsing around, so it was my fault for kind of taking too long, I was able to give them my company name, the company size, and all this other information that helped me get on a call much quicker. So I scheduled a call for first thing Monday. On a Saturday, the salesperson it was scheduled for probably didn't even know it was on his calendar. I then filled out the form field. I asked, fill out the same information, how big is my company, what's my revenue, all the stuff that they pretty much asked me in live chat. And I got an email back on Monday from a salesperson, a different salesperson, and I had a call scheduled on Wednesday. By Wednesday, with my original live chat conversation, I had already signed up for Zenefits. So, and got me in the platform and got my employees on there. So by the time I used the old-fashioned lead form, I'd already finished onboarding and activating essentially on Zenefits. So that's an example of a great way of how to leverage live chat. So on the weekends, and you can do this at any time, it's just a faster way to get people on the phone call. So you can go from lead to phone, or if you have any type of sales enablement, you can go from lead to talking to a salesperson much, much faster, even on a weekend. A couple other things I want to share with you is how to actually leverage live chat for your marketing, right? So one, you can create ungated content. Think about like the Mailshake ebooks, our masterclass, our playbook. There's many more examples like that, but I just want to share with you specific ones I've done. You can add live chat there. So you can now then get people who are browsing and browsing for educational information into a lead funnel. So they may be a soft lead, but then you can then get their email address and nurture them into a proper lead. It's essentially the same thing as if you were to get them to opt in for an email. But what the difference is, if you opt in for an email, you download a PDF, that doesn't necessarily say that person is interested. On a live chat, you can ask them, hey, do you want a PDF version of this, or are you interested in the software? And if they're interested in the software, you can put them down the right lead funnel. All right, and the last thing is you can actually engage your customers. The easiest way to leverage this, and this is more live chat than it is the conversational side, is to engage your customers or potential customers at the highest friction points. So think about the sign-up form. When somebody's putting their credit card, generally after 5 or 10 seconds, people have questions. Or everyone's interested in signing up for something, right? But when it comes to putting out their money, they may think about it a little bit. So here's where you can use live chat to actually reduce that friction point. And again, maybe they're not ready right now, but then you can drip them essentially into a right funnel. So you can put them back into that marketing funnel and turn an MQL into a lead or a trial or a customer actually. So those are some ways to actually leverage conversational marketing to improve your conversion rate and not be annoying. So if you have any other ways, please leave a comment below. Tell me a website, tell me a company who's doing a great job at this. I would love to hear from you.